Break 5360 for the 2021 Hit Parade Baseball Limited Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, August 23rd, 2021. It's 9:41 p.m. Eastern Time, 8:41 p.m. Central Time, and 6:41 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, West 4, Ant with 5. Cameron 2, Strike 2, USC 1, Laddie Cards 3, Beads 3, Just 8, Job 1, Tex 1 spot. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Wes on top, Joe on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Laddie Cards on top and on the bottom. And Laddie Cards, you have the Diamondbacks, USC Braves, Beads, Orioles, Red Sox, Cameron Cubs, Just White Sox, Ant Reds, Strike Indians, Ant Rockies, Justin with the Tigers, Astros, Job Royals, Tex Angels, Ant Dodgers, Strike Marlins, Just Brewers Twins, West Mets, Yankees, Athletics. We have Just with the Phillies, Beads Pirates, West Padres, Just Giants, Ant Mariners, Cardinals, Just Rays, Laddie Cards, Rangers, Cameron Blue Jays, and last but not least, Laddie Cards with Washington. Empty. We have a Bowman Chrome, Ed Howard. There we go. Chicago Cubs. Cubbies. Ed Howard. Very nice. Who has the Chicago Cubs? Cameron Holmes, 95. Congrats on 5360 for the 2021 Hit Parade Baseball Limited Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph football mini helmet, and up next is 5373 for the 2021 Gold Rush Basketball Vault Pack. Thanks.